Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to redeem Epic Games Discord Nitro. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Epic Games app on your PC and make sure to sign into your account. After that, you will be redirected to the homepage. Here, you just need to make sure that Discord is installed on your PC. For that, search for Discord inside Epic Games, click on Get, agree to the terms, and then place the order. After that, install it and get back to the search bar. Now, search for Discord Nitro, and then open the official subscription. Again, click on Get, and then place the order. Once done, you will receive mail from Epic Games into your email inbox. Simply navigate to it, and then click on the Redeem Now button. After that, you will be redirected to the Discord website. Here, tap on Next, select Add a new payment method, and then enter all of the required details to complete the free purchase. So that's basically how you can redeem Epic Games Discord Nitro. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.